Yo, what's up everyone, it's Murtaja. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of smart homes. We're talking about 40 electronic projects you can build yourself to upgrade your living space. Whether you're just starting out with DIY tech or you're already a seasoned pro, we've got something here for everyone. We'll be covering everything from basic setups to more advanced projects, so stick around to find the perfect smart home upgrade for you. Let's get right into it. Control your lights with your phone or even your voice. Set it and forget it. Let your thermostat learn your schedule. See who's there, even when you're not home. Your voice is the command center for your smart home. Keep an eye on your home from anywhere in the world. Waking up with the sunrise just got a whole lot easier. Get instant alerts even if you're miles away. Ditch the keys, enter your home with just a touch. Control any device remotely, right from your phone. Keep your garden green without lifting a finger. The future of food storage is here. Cooking just got a whole lot smarter. Wake up to the smell of freshly brewed coffee. Laundry day just got a whole lot easier. Let the robot do the cleaning, you deserve a break. Breathe easy with cleaner, healthier air. Fill your home with immersive, voice-controlled audio. The center of your smart home entertainment setup. Get ready for your day with a futuristic twist. Sleep like never before with a bed that adapts to you. Never worry about an open garage door again. Make sure your furry friend is always fed on time. Upgrade your lighting with a touch of intelligence. Save energy and stay comfortable year-round. The future of home security is here. The brain of your smart home operation. Catch leaks early and prevent costly water damage. Know when doors are open or closed even remotely. Add an extra layer of security to your windows. Detect movement and trigger actions automatically. Enjoy hot water on demand and save energy. Stay cool and comfortable with a touch of tech. Transform your lighting with endless possibilities. Experience the ultimate home cinema setup. Keep a watchful eye on your little one from anywhere. Grow your dream garden with the help of technology. Take control of your energy usage and save money. Protect your home with a comprehensive security setup. Stay connected with everyone in your home. Unlock the full potential of a truly smart home. And there you have it, 40 smart home electronic projects you can tackle to upgrade your living space. I hope this video sparked some ideas and got you excited about the possibilities of DIY tech. If you decide to try any of these projects, be sure to drop a comment down below and let me know how it goes. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips, reviews, and of course, awesome project ideas. Until next time, keep teching it up.